Hello, and welcome to our channel. I'm RK, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Whether you stumbled upon our channel or you're a long-time subscriber, we're delighted to have you as part of our community. Our mission is to entertain and gain knowledge together. We can't wait to entertain and share adventures, fun and knowledge with you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future content.
Imagine a world where AI is here to assist us, making everything smoother, faster, and hassle-free. Here are the benefits. 1. Home automation. A homeowner struggling with multiple remote controls for TV, lights, and temperature control. Are you tired of juggling remote controls? AI can help by seamlessly integrating all your smart devices, so you can control them with a single command or even just your voice. A smart speaker activates and lights dim while the TV turns on. Lights down, TV on. 2. Virtual personal assistant. A busy professional searching through a chaotic desk for important documents. AI-powered virtual assistants can organize your life. They schedule appointments, set reminders, and even find important documents instantly, making you more efficient and less stressed. The virtual assistant displays an organized calendar and locates the needed document. Hey AI, find my presentation for the meeting tomorrow. 3. Health and well-being. A person weighing themselves on a traditional scale. When it comes to health, AI is a game changer. Smart health devices can track your vitals and provide personalized recommendations for a healthier lifestyle. A smart scale displays weight, BMI, and recommends exercise and dietary tips. AI, what's my health update for today? 4. Travel and navigation. A traveler staring at a confusing airport terminal map. Navigating airports and cities can be overwhelming. AI-powered apps offer real-time directions, translate languages, and suggest local attractions, making your travel experience smoother. A travel app displays a clear route through the airport. AI, guide me to my gate. 5. Customer support. A frustrated customer on hold with a customer service hotline. We've all been there, stuck on hold. AI chatbots and virtual agents are available 24/7, providing instant answers to your questions and resolving issues without the wait. A chat window opens, and the customer's query is answered promptly. Hello AI, I need help with my bill. Conclusion. The host back in the living room. Artificial intelligence is transforming our lives by eliminating common technical issues, making everything more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. From home automation to personal assistance, health and travel, and even customer support, AI is here to enhance our daily experiences. The camera zooms out, displaying the host with a backdrop showcasing various AI devices. So, embrace the future, because with AI by your side, you can say goodbye to those everyday hassles and hello to a smarter, more effortless life.